Your phone keeps saying storage full, and you're thinking about paying for more cloud storage? Wait, try this free trick first. It works on both iPhone and Android. First, open Telegram. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, then sign into your account. Now tap the search icon, type saved messages. Then open the chat with your own profile. This is your personal space that only you can access through your Telegram account. You'll see a quick introduction showing that you can save messages, upload photos, videos, and files, access them from any device, and instantly find them using search. Next, tap the attachment icon. Choose File and tap on Select from Gallery. Now select your large photos, videos, or documents and tap Send. Telegram uploads them to your account so you can access them later from any device where you're signed in. Once you've confirmed that everything is uploaded successfully, you can delete the original files from your phone to free up storage. For extra peace of mind, it's always a good idea to keep important files backed up in more than one place. This is one of the most useful Telegram features that almost nobody talks about. Save this video so you don't forget it. Hit like if you found it useful, subscribe for more hidden phone tricks, and share it with someone whose phone is always running out of storage.